or an online income earner, well, then you'll completely understand that some days you just don't want to do certain tasks. Do you know how many times I've had a go at doing this video? Must be 10, and I just couldn't get it right. I'm not looking for perfection, but I am looking to send a message. So if you're in business and you find yourself being bogged down in those daily tasks that you just don't want to do, then be like me and stop the overwhelm, stop the exhaustion, and start getting results with an automated system. You see, just over a year ago, I discovered the blueprint, a proven step-by-step system that gave me automation, email automation, marketing automation that puts my leads into my funnel and converts them. I didn't have to spend time chasing people. I didn't need tech skills. And now I love doing the tasks that I love to do. And yes, still there's some days where I just don't feel like doing a video. But you know what? I know at the end of the day, it's going to create more for me. So if you're in business or an online income earner and want a fully automated system so that you can spend more time doing what you love, then comment freedom below. And I would love to be able to send you the blueprint that I have, step-by-step guide, so that you don't have to spend more time doing things you really don't want to do.